Hey everyone, in this video we are taking a look at a planning branch Odoo app, a smart way to manage in multiple branches, control user access and keep operation running smoothly within your company. And if you're looking for planning multi-branch functionality, don't worry, it's already available. You'll find the module link in this description of this video. Now, after installing this module, let's get into the settings. Over here under user and companies, you can see the branches where we can create a list of branches, and in this branch we can add a name, company, telephone number as well as the address. Now, after creating a branch, let's get into the user. So here in this we have a username Mitchell admin where you can add, you may need to enable a branches over here, multiple branches, and also we need to give them an branch admin access, or else we have another access named user. Okay, so here in this we have the preferences. You can see an allowed branch, and also we can give a main branch too. So here I enabled all the branches to allowed branch for mutual admin. Now over here on the top, you can see we are in the Mumbai. So let's get into the Ahmedabad. So now Ahmedabad is a main branch. Okay. Now let's get into the meeting rooms. As we are in Ahmedabad, let's get into the rooms where we can see two rooms which is comes from a branch Ahmedabad. Now, if I switch to in Delhi, you can see the Delhi related rooms. If I switch to the Mumbai, you can see Mumbai related rooms. So if I switch to both, okay, so it will list only the Mumbai as we are the main, it will be the Mumbai now. Main branch will be Mumbai now. If I switch to Delhi, it will show the Delhi. But if you need to see a multiple branch, we have an app for that. So the app link is already linked in the description. Please check it out. Now, let's switch to Ahmedabad. Now, Ahmedabad is a main branch, so we have two. Okay. Now let's get into the bookings. So let's get into the list view. So these are the records which are already created. Now let's create a new record like client meetup. Okay. So in this we need to give the room. So the room will be from a main branch, and here in this we need to apply a date, and over here the branch will be automatically taken. If in case if I choose in another branch, it will show you the warning. The warning will be switch a branch from the header and set. So if we set Delhi, we can set up Delhi over here if you haven't access. So okay, I already booked. Okay, so now let's change the date for that. So I have changed the thing. So here you can see Ahmedabad related record. Now let's get into the Delhi. So if you get into the Delhi, you can see the Ahmedabad related record will not there. So let's add a Delhi over here, for example. So there are three records which comes from Delhi. Okay, and if you switch to in Ahmedabad now, there is a no record which is related to Delhi. And also regarding the report, like we can get an branch related records like for an Ahmedabad branch, you can see how much records that we have. And there are no branch will be added to these five records, and this is the one which we have now. If I switch to the Delhi, and if you choose a branch as a group by now, you can see there are three records in this particular booking. So this is how this module works. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.